This YouTube motivational short was built by Complete Autopilot. I'm going to show you how you can build your very own video factory blueprint, and the best thing of all, you can do this for completely free. So let's get started. This is a system that does it. It automatically finds videos, adds music, burns captions, and uploads everything onto YouTube on Complete Autopilot. I built this entire system to run locally on my machine, which means it costs $0 per month. And I'm going to show you how to build the three core parts: the brain, the downloader, and the video generator. All right, there is a one-time setup to get through, but we're going to fly through that. Do this once, and this system is yours to run forever, completely free of charge. First, your system needs a brain, a simple Google Sheet, and this is what it looks like. There's three core parts: the video source, the music source, the captions, and post status. I asked ChatGPT for 100 motivational video caption ideas, and I pasted them right in here. This sheet will feed our automation. Next, we need the engine. I'm running n8n locally using a platform called Docker. It's completely free, so download Docker Desktop, and you'll have something that looks like this. Click on Docker Hub and search for n8n. The one you want to download is this one here. This is the official n8n repository. If you're not sure, it has 100 million plus downloads. Once you select it, click on Pull. Once Docker's installed, we need to run two libraries. The first one is called ffmpeg, and the second one is yt-dlp. Now I've created a quick document to help you with this, and basically what this does is, because we are running n8n locally, we need these two functions to A, play the video, and B, download the video locally inside of our Docker container. Just follow the instructions on this Google Sheet and you're good to go. Lastly, we need the keys to the car. You need API credentials for YouTube, Google Sheets, and Google Drive. And the good news for you is that all three processes are identical. I'll show you once for YouTube, so head over to the Google Cloud Console. If you haven't used it yet, just create a new project. So I'm using this n8n Upwork Proposals project I created for another video. Click on APIs and Services, and then click on Credentials. Go to Create Credentials and OAuth Client ID. The application type, you can leave it as Web Application, or you can give it a name. It's entirely up to you. And the only thing you need from n8n is the authorized redirect URLs. So head back into your local installation of n8n, click on the plus sign and where it says Credential, and then you want to add a new credential. So for this example, I'm going to use YouTube. And then for the redirect URI, you're going to use this callback address. So just copy this, paste it where it says URIs1, and then you're going to click Create. There's only two things you need from this screen. The first is the client ID and the client secret. So paste the client ID where it says client ID, do the same for client secret, and then just sign in with your Google Gmail account. And if it's worked, you'll see an account connected with a green box just like this. And you do the exact same thing for Google Sheets. But where it says add new credential, you're going to add Google Sheets OAuth 2 API, and then just follow the same process as you did with YouTube. Okay, that's the boring part over. Now for the magic. Build in the automation that does all the work for you. Our automation has two parts. The first part is we need to collect the assets. This flow finds royalty-free music and videos from our Google Sheet and downloads them. And if you're not sure where to find royalty-free videos or music, you can either do a Google search, because there's a lot of content out there, and some of this is available for commercial use. You can do a search on YouTube for videos that are royalty-free. And for the music, you can go to the YouTube music library, and all the music inside of there is royalty-free, and you can use it for commercial use. This automation starts on a schedule. The first thing it'll do is it will read the sheet. It will activate when it sees a status for approved. And this execute command node, this is the power move. It uses the yt-dlp tool that we installed to download the video directly from YouTube. And if I click inside of the node, you can see that it is using the yt-dlp function. Once the video is downloaded, the workflow updates our Google Sheets to say success. And that just means that this first row has been processed. So when you run the automation again, it will then look for the next row that has a status of approved. So it never downloads the same video twice. Now for the music, the process is exactly the same. So we just duplicate the entire flow. The difference now is we need to change the source from video to music. And once this execute command node runs, it will actually download the music using the same yt-dlp function that we installed earlier. And then once that's done, it will then update the Google Sheet to say it's been successful. And I've added an internal path. So inside of the Docker container, this is the folder where this MP3 has been saved locally on my machine. Now that that's done, our asset downloader is ready. We have our videos, we have our music. Now we'll build the orchestrator, the piece of the workflow that brings it all together. This is the workflow that edits, captions, and uploads our finished short onto YouTube. This workflow grabs a downloaded video, a piece of music, and a script or caption from our Google Sheet. And this is my favorite part. With this simple generate text overlay code node, we can automatically burn captions directly into the video. You can change the font, the color, the size. You have total creative control. From there, the workflow combines the video, the music, and the captions into one final file. These two nodes renders the final video short. And then this last HTTP request node uploads the video short onto my YouTube channel. It sets the title, the description, everything. And once it's done, this update sheets node for Google will add the captions and post a status. So here's the title, here's the description, this is the output path, the status was successful, here's the YouTube URL, and here's the post time. All done for you on Complete Autopilot autopilot, and it didn't cost me a single dime. And this is it. This is the entire system ready to go. So let's run it and let me show you another example. So first thing you need to do is get the video, and it's downloading that now. Once that's done, we can then execute the same thing, but now for the music. So now it's downloading the music. Once it's done, it will update the sheet with all the relevant details. Now that we have the music and the video, we can render it, add the captions, and upload it onto YouTube. So now this is the third part of the flow that's executing. It's now generating the video. And just like that, here it is, our new short uploaded and ready to publish on YouTube. An automated, faceless YouTube channel running for free on my own machine. This system can post for you every single day, even while you're sleeping. The real power here isn't just making videos faster. It's about building an automated asset that works for you. You set it up once, you feed it ideas, and it creates content 24/7. And if you want to save time and download this exact automation, the link to do that is in the video description below. Click on that, follow the on-screen instructions, and I'll see you on the inside. And do me a favor, if you like this video, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already for more systems like this that save you time and make you more money, and turn your notifications on so you know when the next video drops. See you then.